Welcome back. We've got Kelsey Keeney in studio this morning from the SEK Humane Society, and today she has brought in Layla. Thank you for coming again this morning.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
Turned out to be a pretty nice morning so far. So tell me a little bit about Layla.
Yeah, so Layla is a 2-year-old female blue heeler mix. She's a very friendly, sweet girl. She knows a couple of commands. She knows how to sit. I learned earlier she knows high five as well.
And she knows her name.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
I was over at the desk earlier and I said, Layla! And she turned my way. Come here, Layla. I don't have treats though, so why would you want to turn to me? Kelsey has those. Yeah, but I'll pet you. So 2 years old?
Yes, 2 years old. She's a very friendly girl. She's looking for a forever home. She is great with other dogs, but she will be available in the next 2 weeks.
Okay. How active is she? Does she enjoy going on like walks or runs?
Yes, she has a lot of energy, so she needs someone who can kind of keep up with her.
Yeah. And you said does well with other dogs, but what about other animals if you have cats or something in your home?
She's a little iffy on cats. We haven't really cat tested her yet. As far as our lobby cats go, she did kind of fine with them.
Okay. Didn't hunt them down or anything like that?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. Okay, and you guys have some other dogs available. Well, you have a lot of other dogs, but we have
Yes.
pictures of a few, and here is one, Diesel.
Yeah, so that's Diesel. He is a great boy. He is like her. He has a lot of energy. He does great with certain other dogs. He's a little picky, so we'll have to do a meet and greet first if you're interested and have another one. But he is no cats.
That's interesting. A Husky Lab mix.
Yeah, he definitely, you can definitely see it in his personality. He has a lot of that energy.
I like the ears just sticking up like that. And then we have Lula. I feel like we've seen Lula before. That name sounds familiar.
Yeah, I think we talked about her last time. But she looks like our old girl Betty, and she kind of acts like her too. She has a lot of energy for a 6-year-old black lab mix. She is great with a couple of their dogs. She is just no cats as well.
Okay. Now, how full are you guys on dogs right now? Are you at capacity?
We are at capacity.
You're at capacity.
Yeah.
And I think the last time you came on, we talked about the puppies, the beagles.
Yes.
Have you had any luck getting them adopted yet, or?
Yeah, so we're still waiting for them to kind of wean off mom. We had just weaned them this past week just because she was getting a little tired of them growing on her. So we're just waiting for them to be old enough to get their last rounds of vaccinations and then to get spayed as well.
Okay, so they'll be available for adoption very soon. You could probably go out there and see them anytime. And look at Layla, she's just behaving lovely right now, just enjoying the scenery, I guess.
Yeah.
See, you can see yourself on camera. Okay, so you guys have a big adoption event and booth coming up next Friday as in connection with the Pittsburgh Art Walk.
Yeah, so we will be set up by Block 22 across from Brick and Mortar. We'll have a couple dogs on site. We haven't picked who we're bringing yet. It's supposed to be about 2 or 3 dogs, but we're going to wait until that week to choose who we're bringing just in case they get adopted this weekend with our another event going on. But yeah, anybody is more than welcome to come out and check them out, to take them for a walk during the event, see how they do with your family, and they will also be available for adoption or foster to adopt.
A great opportunity to walk a dog during the Pittsburgh Art Walk. All right, and what time will you guys be set up there?
Yeah, so we will be there at 5, and I believe it will be either 5 to 9 or 5 to dusk.
Okay, sounds good. All right, in the meantime, they can find you at the SEK Humane Society. What are your hours and how can they get a hold of you?
Yeah, so this Friday with our event going on, we'll be open noon to 4, and then Saturday noon to 4 as well, and Sunday 1 to 4.
And to learn more about this weekend's adoption event, you can go to our website at koamnewsnow.com and click on our morning show interviews, and we have all those details in this link to this story right here. All right, thank you so much for coming on.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
We'll be right back.